Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a roller walker with a seat. It comes with very easy to use instructions. Here's what I love about it before we even put it together. Look how light this is. Absolutely love it. Look how thin this folds up. Absolutely love it. And it is adjustable. So I already put the front wheel on. So the wheels go on the outside in the front, and all that you do is put it on here, push the little button in, and then it locks into place. So this is where you adjust it. You want to make sure that the pin is in the correct hole so you can count there. Then you're going to take the front leg. Now, you have to make sure that you, again, get that onto the same pin. Then, open, and that is it. This thing is so nice. I love that you have the bag on the front. It has two pockets on the side, and one, I'm going to call it like a glasses pocket in the middle. And this does come off with Velcro if you want to take that off. I want to show you the lock feature in the front. To make sure that this is going to stay open, you want to push down right here, and then it is locked. So now it's not going to close. You have really nice handles, and this holds a lot of weight. I was lifting myself off of the ground, and it has a very smooth wheel action. Absolutely love it. When I turn it this way, you can see I can sit down. Now, just so you know, this is a little tiny bit smaller than a seat on your more, I would say, traditional roller walkers. But what this gets you is that this is great for travel. This is so easy to then fold. So I'm going to pop the lock just a tiny bit. And then there's a little loop here. Pull up and it locks. This is so nice. I have tried so many walkers and roller walkers and walkers with chairs. You can check out all of my videos on those. This is so incredible because it is so lightweight. It folds up to nothing. This is going to be able to fit in most trunks, even if you have groceries. That's my issue with a lot of the other ones. If you have groceries in there, something else in there, it's really hard to fit everything else in. And this is just so functional. It's enough of a chair that if you need to take a little seat, you can. And it is so sturdy that I can completely lift myself up on here. And it is staying put. Very lightweight, nice frame, metal frame, lightweight, just absolutely amazing. So if you are looking for a walker with a chair, this one is one of the best that I've ever seen. Check it out.